Otie como telame wibie, ameti district mo tuhe, ni jomagi, tia balo yuba me mioga. Mioga, obere yuba dunglobo, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, amodo nyukere melwenyi komchan, kede nyajutich, ichingu tederom. Programan, odonyo, pirionge tapara bora papat, ikingi, onyon boda. Jo ameti kirangwal, ochigrach, ocho amud, utede hotel, jo amewa onyonyo, oliel wich, ikin grupa papat, amomiru nwong chendaman me miogam. Idwe ma achiel, mohatutumia ario, kede pira rio bi achiel, o tuhe district local government, obino nuolim, ameron bilo na chiel kede tonera boro, pisako spiradeku ya bichiel, ameti chajario papat, ameti district meo tuhe, kunsako achiel, nuolim, ameron milion pirade, pisako dushu, ameti district man, tunona hechawa mechoch man, sako achiel keken, kumsako spiradeku ya bichiel, ename produwa chende man, me miogam. O tuhe district commercial officer, Charles Opio, o tiruni.
Mioga generally is not doing very well in Utuke because of political interference. And today, I have just gone for one in Ocwiny, Utuke County Entrepreneurship Circle, where the politicians are telling people not to pay the money. And they are saying this is free money given by the president for their appreciation. And so that has actually affected the recoveries in some parts, most of the Mioga circles in the district.
Alub RDC mo tuhe, John Basarlira, otironi bino kwanyo tielagwa, ikomjo magim.
Like today, I have been in Barowobi village in Okwanga, where there is the Otuke County Women Entrepreneurs Mioga Circle, where they told us that some of the leaders like LC1 chairman, LCC chairperson, they don't encourage the members to pay, and even themselves they are loan defaulters. They said that this is money given by the president for free. We are calling upon all the political leaders not to interfere with the government programs. We shall have a meeting of political leaders in the district and tell them their roles and responsibilities in regard to government programs.
Won koma bich mo tuhe, a Bola Francis, o kwerachil koman, a member me parliament, meo tuhe, Julius Achonbua, o jeho tedero, medwa kochente man me mioga, itute meriamujan, a metia yelu pachapol, ikaraman, lohangea piwan LUO television, and Solomon Okabo, Yotuhe district.
When you interfere, you will refer to this program. You refer to other Ugandans to benefit.